The first time I was exposed to Black British history at secondary school level was transformative. I, the new girl and now the first and only black student in year 8, sat as my white peers light-heartedly reenacted the moments when the Africans were taken as slaves. Later, the class was asked to recite their I Have a Dream speech. They were set as homework a few weeks prior. In that moment, everybody instantly stared at me. There was this heavy expectation for me to stand up and make a speech, despite it only being my second day and I hadn't even been around when the homework was set. I'm black. This is Black history. So it's your responsibility to speak. So go on, speak. This was a transformative experience for me as it sparked a curiosity in how we educate and build empathy in people, but especially children, regarding race. It interested me so much so that 9 years later, race education would become the focus of my university dissertation. So, upon graduation, when the opportunity to be a part of these educational films arose, I just jumped at the chance. I thoroughly enjoyed being a part of a collaborative team that strove for sensitivity and inclusivity within their content. My advice: when using this resource within schools, I'd recommend the following. Firstly, highlight the abolitionists shown in the video. Secondly, let your students choose one to research in further depth. Thirdly, let the student swap the abolitionist that they researched with another student whose abolitionist is of a differing race, gender, or class. This will help foster the idea that tackling racism is everybody's responsibility. Later, you can mind map the different activism strategies shown in the films, and using these strategies as a springboard, discuss how the students can tackle racism in society or even within their own school.